Hi, welcome to CCC, affectionately known to our members as Coffee, Croissants, and Currencies. I'm Jeff Wecker, former member of the Chicago Board of Trade and CEO and moderator of our international group of 90 FX traders from 33 different countries. And we meet on Skype daily and we discuss currency strategies, specific trades, and how to employ our now world-claimed robot, Forex Forager. And there's the little guy right on the screen there. Today, you're going to see live how we use Forex Forager in news plays. News plays are something that scares most traders, okay, because of the wild swings, but not Forex Forager. He knows how to play them. He averages about 2 pips per second profit on news with an 80% win rate. But Forex Forager does a lot more than news plays. It enters into swing and long-term trades with a maximum of 15 pips of risk, takes partial profits quickly, puts break-even stops on the balance, and keeps you in the trade for the duration. The exact opposite of what 90% of traders do, who take profits way too early and hang on to their losses way too long. Forex Forager averages about a 17% win rate with a 20-to-1 risk-reward ratio, which, as you know, is totally off the charts, and that's on non-news trades. So no more poring over charts 50, 60 hours a week. Forex Forager is the once-a-day, set-it-and-forget-it tool. It's especially good for people with full-time jobs or for traders who are just looking for more leisure time or time with their families. Okay, now we're going to set up the robot Forex Forager for tonight's news plays. This is a live recording, so it's not going to be that smooth. You're going to hear me going back and forth because this is happening in real time. This is the Australian retail sales report. It's now 6:16 Central Time. It's going to take place at 6:30 Central Time in about 14 minutes. So let me show you how we set the robot up. First, we pick two pairs, a bullish pair and a bearish pair. Those are done by our resident expert, Steve Kruse, and it's done based on relative strength. Obviously, the strongest pair is going to be on the bullish side and the weakest on the bearish side. So let's start. Tonight, Steve has picked long Australian dollar, short Canadian dollar for the bullish side. So what we're going to do is we're going to find that chart. Here it is right here. And we're going to bring it in right here. The next, we're going to go get our little robot friend, bring him over, and we're going to set the values. Right now, the pair is trading at 98.44. We're going to put the buy about 15 pips higher at about 98.59. Then down here, we're going to put the volume, which would be, I think in this case, let's do 200,000. There's that. And that's going to be a buy. Okay, we're going to take profits after about 50 pips. We're going to take profit on half the position and keep the other half. And in this case, we're going to try 3 times. If we don't get in the first time, the robot has some mechanism where it figures out where to re-enter, and if it has to do it a third time, it re-enters, but never takes more than 5 pip risk on any entry. So we're going to click OK. We've now set the buy side of the play. Now, the robot is especially adept, as you know. We play both sides of the market in news plays. That's why we're so effective, and you don't have to worry about wild swings. If it swings one direction, we can take profits there. If it goes back the other direction, we can take more profit there. And ultimately, we want to be, if the move is extended for a long period, the robot will attach itself to that, and off we go. So that was the bullish side. That was in terms of relative strength, the strongest pair. Now we're going to put the weakest pair on the sell side, which Steve tells us is Australian dollar, yen. So let's go find that chart. There it is. And we're going to bring our little friend, the robot, in right here. And we're going to set up the sell side. Right now it's trading 87.36. We'll put our sell order about 15 pips lower at 87.21, let's say. Again, we'll do the 200,000, but this time instead of a buy, it is going to be a sell. We'll take profit after 50 pips our way. We'll take profit on half the position, put a break-even stop on the other half, and in this case, the robot's going to try it 3 times. If it gets stopped out for 5 pips, it's going to re-enter 2 more times at different prices, which only it knows, and we'll hopefully eventually latch on to the final move. So we click OK, and now both pairs are set up for the news play. Now what we have to do is wait 10 minutes. We'll see which one gets picked up, the bullish side or the bearish side, and you'll be able to watch the P&L right down here in real time and see how it really works. So we'll put it on pause for the next few minutes and come back on as soon as the news is released in real time. Okay, we're back live here. I think we might have 30-40 seconds till 6:30 Central Time, and we'll see what's going to happen with these pairs. So we might be quiet for a few seconds here while we wait to see what happens. Okay, the news just hit. Now, if you're watching the P&L down here, the long Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, which was our bullish side, got hit. Robot jumped in, is now up $121, $133 in seconds. Now, isn't this better than working? Really. The robot will be taking profits after 50 pips, which will be at 99.04, I think. And after it takes the 50 pips profit, it'll put a stop in at break even on the other half. It'll take profits on half the position, put a break even stop on the other half, and stay in the position, because we may get a lot more out of this before the night's over. All right, now we're up $204 in less than a minute. Not bad. So we can't really stay on here all night because this could run for an hour. So we just wanted you to see this. You saw how we set it up. You saw how the robot grabbed the profit quickly, now up $224 and less $240 in less than a minute. And this is how the robot does it. It's just absolutely the best news player bar none. Okay, so there you have it. 21st century technology at its best. Today you saw Forex Forager in real time playing the news. The action and success are the same in non-news trades, which for us are swing and long-term trades, but these run for days and weeks, so there's no time to run those here. You can have Forex Forager on your computer today. We supply installation, full software support and maintenance. We actually answer the phone when you call. No music, no menus. We just answer the phone and solve your issue. We also supply one-on-one education and training and free membership in our Skype group where you can discuss your trades with 90 of the top FX traders worldwide. Forex Forager rents for $250 a month, but you can have a full month trial now with all the benefits for $99. Just contact me, Jeff Wecker, Wecker, on LinkedIn or at jwecker4@gmail.com, or send a Skype request to jeff.wecker2 or by phone at 847-220-1721. Thank you and good trading.